Greetings from this spontaneous wild nudist beach in Stockholm on the lake Flaten at the part of the nature reserve called Ekudden. This rocky part over here. Yes, it is 21st of August, sorry, 20th of August 2024, and we have 21 degrees Celsius in the air and in the lake. I have just measured, so the same temperature. And with my Scott gravel bike, it took me 8 kilometers to get here, around 20 minutes, and perfect for a swim here on this beautiful lake Flaten. So it is quite nice part of the nature reserve, and around the whole lake you can find perfect spots for a swim in this nature reserve over here. And yeah, it looks quite amazing, and we can see also the public beaches on the other side, Stora Flattenbadet, Villa Flattenbadet and Mellanbadet also, that are also quite empty because the school has started, and yes, the beach season is a bit put on pause. Also that the temperatures have been also not as good as before, but however 21 degrees, it is very warm. Believe me, it is so nice and so decent temperature to go in for a swim here in Ekudden, this spontaneous nudist beach. Alright, only 11 days of August left, since today is 20th of August, and I'm going to turn also 34 years old soon at the end of this month, so I'm getting quite older, to be fair. And yeah, the water looks super nice and super amazing, super clean, despite having some plants here and there, water plants, lake plants, that are part of the ecosystem here. So yeah, it still looks quite amazing, and we're gonna be going in for a swim then. This place here looks nice, and it's not my first time here. I have shown you this already. It was like 2 months back maybe. Let me see, I think over there it's a bit more less lake plants over here. Right. Quite nice, quite amazing. Let's then go in for a swim here. Wonderful. Wonderful indeed. Alright, Beach Adventures with Chris at Flaten Lake at this spontaneous nudist beach Ekudden. Let's go! Oh my god, can you see all the plants in the lake? Take a look at them. Quite amazing, right? Yeah, this is my view from Stockholm, from Flattenbadet. Now my legs are battling with the plants, or how should I call this? It looks so amazing. Look at this beautiful nature all around, and I made the right choice to come here today, as the water is super clean and super nice and quite warm, to be fair. Look at that. Perfect. So yes, perfect spot here in the nature. And it is actually an unofficial nudist beach, but currently there is nobody here. Because probably people have given up on the swimming yet already, what I'm trying to say. So cool, then that's a wrap from Ekudden, this spontaneous wild nudist beach in Stockholm. Ekudden in the Flaten Nature Reserve. Alright, thanks so much for watching this episode with me. Make sure to subscribe and to follow for more beach adventures on my channel. Beach adventures with trees!